Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Mathematics Point. Today I'm here with chapter 2 of NSM1, Practice now 8, and that is about the multiplication of two decimal terms. If you have a point between your terms, that is called your decimal term. So we have a question: without using a calculator, evaluate each of the following. Okay, first of all, you have the two terms and you're going to be multiply these. I just write down the terms for the multiplication. So it is a rule of the multiplication that we multiply the terms with the right hand. So in the right hand we have the term 4. Firstly we multiply 4 with all the terms and then we'll do the further procedure. So 4 is firstly multiplied with 6. 4 6 are 24. Write on the 4 and carry 2. Now for 5 is 20, add 2, 21, 22, 22. So write in 2 and carry your left term.
Now for 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Write on 4 and carry 1.
4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. Now we have multiplied 4 with all the terms. Ignore this point term. We will solve it at the end. Now what is your next term? That is 2. Now multiply 2 with all the digits. That is above this term. Put the cross below your first number. That is cross, basically the multiply sign, and you can also put 0 here. Now 2 6 are 12. Again write on 12, write on the right term here and carry the left one. 2 5s are 10. Now we have solved this, so that's why I'll cancel out previous carries. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Write on 1 here and carry 1 on 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, and 2 1s are 2. After that, add the terms. Make sure that your each digit will be exactly when above the other. Write down the make the sequence of your term basically. First of all, add the terms. Write down 4, 2 plus 2 4, 2 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 10 11 12, 2 1 carry and 3. Now if I hide this term, look out how many terms we have on the right side of the point. 1 2 3, 2 from the first term and 1 from the second term. 1 2 3. So place a point in your answer. Count the digits from your right side. This is my right side. 1 2 3. So place the point here. Again count the point from your right side. 1 2 3. Now we will do the part B of practice now 8. Here we have 1 3 7 8. Okay, 7.8 multiply with 0.35. 137.8. Okay, fine. Now we multiply these two terms. I just write down the term here. 137.8 and 0.35. Again we multiply the extreme right term with all the numbers that is above the term. 5 8s are 40. So write down 0 and carry the 4. 5 7s are 35. Add 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 39. Write down the 9 and carry 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. 8 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 6. We multiply 5 of first term with all the numbers. Now multiply second term with all the numbers. Place the multiply here below the first term. Now multiply 3 and 8. 3 8s are 24. Write down 4 and carry 2. I cancel the carry of the first term. So this is 2. I write down 2. Yes. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 21, 22, 23. So write down 3 and carry 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 1 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Now place double cross sign in the third step, now we have 0. Multiply this 0 with all the above terms. When 0 is multiplied with any term, your term will become 0. 0 8s are 0. 0 7s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 1s are 0. Now, in this step, this is all done with the multiplication of the numbers. Now we will do the addition in the answer. 0. Add the terms vertically. 9 plus 4, 13. 3, 1 carry. I just add up vertically. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, yes. 2, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 4, 0. Now, again, count the point. In the first term, we have first term we have only one digit after the points. So count down the digits that are after the points 1, and then the second they are 2. So add both all the digits that are between the point in the two terms. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits after the point. So count from your right side. 1, 2, 3, and place the point here. So we have the answer 48.23. You can also write the 0. So the 0 that is between your non-digit term will be automatically cancelled. There's no need to write on that 0. But if you also write that 0 with the answer, that will be fine. There's no need to worry about this. So this is done with the practice now 8 part A and B. Now we will move towards the practice now 9. Practice now 9 is related to division of two decimal terms. So firstly we have to write this term in the form of fraction. 0.92 divided by 0.4. So I just write this division sign in the form of fraction. Now we will remove or solve this point or shift this point sign. Look at your denominator. In the denominator we have only one digit after the decimal point or after this point. Shift your point towards your extreme. How many digits you jump? 1. Only one digit. Now also shift that number of digits from your numerator. We had shift only one digit from a denominator, so from the numerator we shift that point one digit. So now next we have become this point shifted before after 9. So now we can write as 9.2. This 0.92 will be write as 9.2. There's no need to write 0 as 9.2 because 0 before any term does not mean. And when we shift this point after 4, so it will become 4. When there is nothing any point, so there's no need to write 4.0. 4 and 4.0 mean the same. I again repeated this step. Whenever there is a decimal in the fraction, so first of all you have to shift your decimal. Whenever you have the decimal in your numerator as well as in your denominator for your own ease. I just firstly convert this decimal point towards extreme right. How many digits I shift? Just one digit. So take that digit from numerator also. From numerator also convert or shift, jump that point one digit. So now we have a fraction 9.2 divided by 4. So divide these two fractions. 9.2 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Shift this 2. Now before shifting this 2, we also have one point. So your point shift will be shifted towards your quotient. Now 3 4s are 4 3s are 12. So your term is completely divided. 2.3 is your answer. Now just write down the part B of your practice now 9. Again we have two decimal terms and they are going to be divided. We just write down this term in the form of fraction. 1.845 divided by 0.15. Now if you observe that the term that you have in your denominator 0.15, how many digits you have after the point? 2 digit, 1 2. Now you can shift your point in your extreme right. Extreme right is this. Okay, how many terms you shift? 2. So you can also jump your decimal point or your point of your numerator 2 digits towards your right. The number of digits your point shifted in your denominator, as well as same digits, also number of digits your point will be shifted in your numerator. So 2 digits will be shifted in the denominator. So in the numerator 2 digits will be also point in the 2 digits will be also shifted. So now your points will be going this position. Now rewrite the terms again. 1 8 4. So 2 after 2 digits, this is the position, writing the point here 5. And in the denominator we have the term 15 now, because this will be cancelled, orange point will be shifted here, so there's no need to write the point on your extreme right. Now we have term 184.5 divided by 15. To write the term, we have 184.5, that is divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. Subtract the term 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now shift this 4. It becomes 34. 15 twos are 30. Now 4 minus 0, 4. Shift this 5. Now when I'm shifting this 5, I just see that there is a point between 4 and 5. So move this point in your quotient 2. Now the term become 45 when we multiply 15 with 3. So 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45. Our term is completely divided. So we have the answer 12.12.3. So what the things that is kept in mind in this question, that whenever you are going to be solving the decimal terms, what is need to do, you just have to lick the question. जितने डिजिट्स आपके डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट होंगे एक्सट्रीम राइट पोजीशन में, उतने ही न्यूमरेटर से आपने डिजिट्स शिफ्ट करने हैं. देन जब आप डिजिट शिफ्ट करेंगे तो आपका पॉइंट अपनी न्यू पोजीशन में प्लेस होगा. प्रीवियस पोजीशन को इग्नोर करना है, वहाँ पे पॉइंट आपने प्लेस नहीं करना, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू बी जंप और शिफ्ट योर पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स योर न्यू रेफरेंस पॉइंट. Now it is a term, whenever you are solving the term, now move your point in the quotient whenever you are dividing the terms, and as just I 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Now when I'm moving towards the next term, that is 5, I just see that there is also a point. अब यहाँ पे point था, so first I shift the point in the quotient, then move the 5 in the previous term, or move the 5 in downward towards the next term. So this is all about your division and multiplication of practice now 8 and 9. So still, if there is any query, you just have to put your query in the comment box. Inshallah, I will answer your query. And to keep in touch with the more videos, kindly subscribe the channel. Also like the video. So Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.